In this video, I wanted to show you guys one of the most interesting car kits I've ever seen, and it is made by the company called Vtoman. In fact, they have two kits. One is an emergency or wheels maintenance kit, and another is a cleaning kit to keep your car clean both inside and out. The super early bird starting price is just about $180 for the emergency kit, $200 for the cleaning kit, and $359 for the all-in-one package, which is an insane value for the price considering all the features these devices have. Check out the link in the video description if you're interested. I've been using these Vtoman kits on my 2008 Honda Civic, which has started to show its age, and it definitely needs more maintenance than before. All of the tools are packed into these robust hard cases, meaning that you can just drop them into your car. Inside of each case, all of the items have their place, but honestly, sometimes I just drop them into random compartments when I was in the rush, and all of the tools still work as new. First, Vtoman created their own ecosystem by making all of their tools compatible with a single 43 Wh battery. That means that you don't need to bring different chargers and battery packs for each tool, just hot swap the battery in a matter of seconds. The battery has LED indicators that show juice left, and it can be recharged with any USB Type-C cable. The emergency kit consists of a jump starter and the power supply, tire inflator, and impact wrench. You also get battery clamps, a tire inflator hose with a few extra adapters for other inflatables, and different size bolt nut removal tool heads. If your car won't start because of a dead battery, simply use the provided clamps to connect them to the car's battery, connect them to the power supply, and start your car. The device is capable of jump-starting gasoline cars up to 4 liters. The 30 watts USB Type-C power delivery port also allows you to charge almost any electronics. Once you pick up the impact wrench, the first impression is that it is built like a tank. It uses metal and high-grade plastic in the construction. In fact, I dropped it once on the asphalt and it seems that it may break the floor first. It's really sturdy. This portable impact wrench can loosen up or tighten up to 50 bolt nuts on a single charge, meaning that you can change all of your wheels in case of emergency without a problem. I'm also highly impressed by its efficiency, as it tightens or loosens up each nut in just about 5 seconds, and it had no problem with my rusty and old Honda Civic bolt nuts. You can control the device by simply pressing the left and right button, and a little LED light is useful in case you need to change the wheel at night. I have to tell you that this impact wrench saves a ton of time, especially when you need to change your summer tires before the winter season. Next up, a universal inflator that can be used to inflate car or other vehicle tires, mattresses, game balls, and other inflatables. It comes with a high-quality hose and a few adapters for different inflatables. The device has a built-in LCD display that allows you to switch between different measurement units and the type of inflatable. You need to simply select what you want to inflate, adjust the amount of pressure needed, and press a start button. I found it to be really efficient too. It took just about 3 minutes to inflate my car's tire from flat to 2.2 bars thanks to 45 liters per minute inflating efficiency. Just as an impact wrench, the device is built to last, as the build quality is great. Now let's take a look at the cleaning kit, which consists of a vacuum cleaner that comes with a few different brush heads and crevice tools, a pressure washer with all of the accessories, and the same battery kit that can be also used as a car jump starter or just as a regular power bank. There is also a 12 watts car charger and USB Type-C cable to recharge the battery while you are on the go. Let's start with a portable car vacuum cleaner, which is equipped with a 230 watts powerful motor, 22,000 PA suction power, which provides strong suction to clean your car from dust, hair, and other debris easily. I like how tiny, lightweight, and compact it is, yet it has enough power to vacuum most of the dirt in my car. I mostly used it with a built-in crevice tool which has an extendable brush. However, you can easily convert it into a home vacuum cleaner. Simply snap it together with an extended tube, and in this way, you can switch from cleaning your car or your home in a matter of seconds. I believe this is really convenient and practical because you don't need to buy 2 separate devices. In fact, this is one of the lightest and most convenient home vacuum cleaners I've ever used. It has enough suction power to suck up all of the dirt, and it is super easy to clean. A pressure washer exceeded my expectations considering how light and compact it is and the fact that it runs on the same battery. First of all, the device follows the same design language as other Vtoman devices. It's made of high-grade plastic and the overall build quality is good. The washer comes with everything you need to get started, including quite a long hose, a 200mm cleaning solution tank, and a collapsible water bucket, which is really convenient for traveling. A hose comes with a filter, which means that it filters unclean water. For instance, you can simply use the river or the lake water when you want to wash your car on the go. This high-pressure washer has 5-in-1 nozzle, which refers to 0, 15, 25, or 40 degrees shower modes. Besides, the washing mode allows you to use a car shampoo, which is pretty cool. The cleaning performance is surprisingly good considering this is a battery-powered mobile device. First of all, you need to use the washing solution for the best results, but if you are in a hurry, you can simply give your car a quick wash with just water. The pressure washer managed to clean all of the dirty spots on my car thanks to 32 bars of pressure. I mostly used a 20-degree shower mode, but you can always switch modes by a simple twist. The water consumption is 2.5 liters per minute, meaning that you may need to refill the water bucket once or twice for a complete car wash. That's why I used a slightly bigger bucket. I usually don't like standard high-pressure washers because you need to connect them to the mains power, always make sure that the extension power strip doesn't get wet, and so on. With this Vtoman mobile solution, the car washing experience is much more enjoyable and the cleaning performance is surprisingly good. Overall, these Vtoman car gadgets are really practical, easy to use, they are well constructed and do not take much space. Having both kits in your car allows you to keep it clean and fix it in case of emergency. Also, a single battery ecosystem is such a great idea that saves space and time charging different batteries. So far, all of these car gadgets have been working well. I like high-quality travel cases, and the overall feature set is what sets them apart from the competition, especially considering such a low price. What car gadgets do you use? Tell me in the comment section down below. Also, tell me in the comment section down below what you think about this Vtoman car gadgets kit. Also, please like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.